What's up, guys? It's Virex from Circle Games community here to talk about Unity version you should use. I would advise you guys to use the 2020.3.11 LTS version because they are more stable for beginners and for even professionals. You shouldn't be using the beta or alpha version. You should use this kind of version, the LTS version. And for those of you that don't have this exact version on your PC or desktop, you could use higher, but don't use lower. But I personally, I would advise you to get the same version this community will be using, which is this version, Unity 2020.3.11 F1. So in order to do that, in order to use this version I'm using, you can't get it directly from Unity Hub. You have to get it from its download archive. You come to the site, you have to open your Google Chrome, go to the site and go to the LTS release versions. And then you scroll down to you see this particular version here. And then you open it and you could decide, for those of you that have Unity Hub on your system, they have made it easier now. You could decide to download it through your Unity Hub. For those of you that don't use Unity Hub, you could download it from straight Windows or Mac. And then once you've downloaded it, I'm going to be doing it this way. Once you've downloaded, okay, let me use Unity Hub. Let me use this instead. So once you've downloaded, for those of you that are using Unity Hub, it's going to be straight up for you guys. Okay, once you have downloaded it, what you have to do, I'm going to give you a list of things you should download from the download assistant. It's already installed, alright, guys. So follow along what I'm going to do now. Alright, don't listen to my English, listen to what I'm here to give you, because the class I'm going to teach you guys is something that people pay to learn. So don't think about my English. I'm not here to joke. I'm here to give you guys serious good details on making best terrain, best level designs you can come up with, making your games look more realistic, giving you that kind of environmental feel. So yes, all right, you're going to need, yeah, of course, check your Unity engine. This is it. For those of you that are using Android, you could you support it as well. iOS support it as well. Well, this doesn't actually have to do with me, but since this tutorial is done on the system, I want you all to include, if you're using Mac, use Universal Windows, check Universal Windows, check your Mac build support, check your Linux build support. You don't really need this too, but you could just check it. And then check the Windows build support as well, because this project was built on a Windows. So to avoid errors if you're using a Mac system, just check it in case there are some dependencies in case there are some things that depends on that particular side of this thing, that side of field. So you guys, the next thing you click next and your download begins. Okay, that's all. That's just as simple as it is. The next thing you have to do is to check the link in the description, download the project. I've dropped down the project for you guys. Download the project and follow along the course. Okay, follow along the course. Thank you.